A staircase contains three steps, each of 10 cm high and 20 centimeter wide. So this is the staircase. So this staircase, three staircases are there. So 10 cm high, 20 cm wide, 10 cm high, 20 cm wide. So 10 cm high, 20 cm wide, 10 cm high, 20 cm wide, 10 cm high, 20 cm wide. So what is the total vertical distance covered? So this is 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter, this is 10 centimeter. So total vertical distance is 30 centimeter. So what is the total horizontal distance covered? This is 20 centimeter, this is 20 centimeter, this is 20 centimeter, this is 60 centimeter. From this diagram only two values are required. So what is the total y value and what is the total x value? Y equals to how much? Y equals to 30 centimeter. X equals to how much? X equals to 60 centimeter. So what is the minimum horizontal velocity? A ball rolling off the uppermost plane. So we have to find the horizontal speed. So as x equals to ux into t. X equals to how much? X equals to ux into t. So x distance, x equals to 60 centimeter, 60 by 100. So ux is unknown, time is also unknown. So we have to find the value of time, then we will put in this equation to get the ux value. So y equals to how much? Y equals to uyt minus half g t square. Y equals to uyt minus half g t square. Y equals to how much? Y equals to 30 centimeter, 30 by 100. Uy equals to how much? 0. So this is half gt square. So this is half, reference line se niche, so this is negative. G equals to how much? G equals to 10 t square. T square is t square. So this 10 gets cancelled. So this is 6 divided by 100. 6 by 100 equals to t square. So 600 by 100 equals to t square. So t square equals to how much? T square equals to 6 by 100. That is 0.06. T square is 0.06. T equals to how much? T equals to root over of 0.06. As t equals to root over of 0.06, so taking root over of 0.06, so root over of 0.06, so that equals to how much? Time equals to 0.244. Time equals to how much? Time equals to 0.244 second. So that is the time taken. So we have to put this value in the equation 1. So we can write putting equation 2 in equation 1. Putting equation 2 in equation 1. Putting equation 2 in equation 1, 6 by 10 या फिर 60 by 100 equals to ux into t. So 60 by 100 equals to ux into t. So 6 by 10 equals to ux into t. So this is ux. Time equals to 0.244. So that is ux is there, time equals to 0.244. So 6 by 10, 2, 3, 6, 2, 5, 10, 3 by 5 equals to ux into 0.244. Ux equals to how much? Ux equals to 3 divided by 5 into 0.244 equals to how much? 3 divided by 5 into 0.244. So that equals to how much? 3 divided by 2. So ux equals to 3 divided by 5. 3 by 5 equals to how much? 3 divided by 5. 3 by 5 is 0.6. So 3 by 5 is 0.6. 0.6 divided by 0.244. 0.6 divided by 0.244. So that equals to how much? 2.45. So ux equals to 2.45 or nearly equals to 2.5 meter per second. So question is given key to find the horizontal projection speed. So horizontal projection speed is 2.5 meter per second. So that is the final answer. Ux equals to how much? Ux equals to 2.5 meter per second.